Hey bitch, it's your bitch, it's me. Hi, welcome again.
Hey guys. So I took a nap and my eyebrows were yeeted and I also look like a hot mess. Don't drag me. Lol.
You better stop! But anyways, today I'm actually gonna sit here and actually gonna try doing a fucking tutorial because let's be honest with ourselves. I cannot explain anything. Like I can go from something and then go to another fucking thing. I don't know, that's just how I am. Hey bitch, it's me. I'm gonna be priming with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just gonna be adding this all over the base. Oh, it's just so dry. Alright, so the first color that we're gonna be using is gonna be this color right here. And you're just going to apply this all like on your crease. And make sure to blend upwards in a circular motion. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna be using this color right here. And with this color, you're just going to blend out the edges even more. Alright, so a lot of mistakes that I see when I see people doing makeup, they just leave this like how it is. And oh my god, my voice sounds really rough. What the fuck? I regret taking that nap. Ew. Anyways, alright, I am gonna be grabbing the white shade of the palette and just like highlighting like my brow bone, but at the same time like blending like the colors so that it won't look disgusting. And also don't be afraid to go back with the original colors because that's how I blend. Alright, to give more definition into my eye, I'm gonna be going with this color right here. And I'm just going to be adding this like on the actual eyelid. Okay, so we're gonna go with that one shade that we just used, and you're just going to apply that as you were applying eyeliner. Alright, to even smoke out even more, you're gonna be using this color. And with this color, we're just gonna be doing the same. Just dragging it a little bit more down. A little bit more down like that, and start making it look a little bit more darker. If that makes any fucking sense. And finally, we're gonna go with the black of the palette, and we're just gonna add that at the very end. Alright, so now you're gonna be wanting to be cutting your crease. Just grab another flat brush and peck on the white. Just peck on some white so that you can set the concealer in place. And now I'm just going to be adding the golden liner. Alright, so for the final steps, you're just going to use a little bit of the big highlight on the palette and just use this as your inner corner. And also highlight your brow bone. All complete. And I'm going to do the other one off camera. Alright, the second eye is now complete. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing my fucking base, which is the easiest shit ever.
Between us, just like big